Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Papan Hatunisa. I'm from class 3B. My student number is 222-322-0104. Okay, I will be the presentation about native flight proficiency in English. Okay, the first content is introduction, the concept of native speaker, the factor to achieve native like proficiency in English, the step to help achieve native like proficiency in English, last conclusion. Introduction. Native like proficiency in English refers to the ability to ask the English language at a level that is indistinguishable from that of native speaker. This means that someone with native like proficiency in English can speak, write, listen, and read English fluently and accordingly with a high degree of comprehension and can use idiomatic expression, colloquialism, and cultural nuance appropriately. The concept of native speaker. Professor Charles Jagan of Harvard, an American, Romania, and Italy scholar, used the term native speaker in the 18th century. Leonard Bloomfield is considered to have coined the term native speaker to refer to someone who speaks the language they have learned for the first time, claiming 2020. Tavares da Costa and Amal-Jar Alpardo 2020 refers 2018 based of etymology. The word native means a person is labeled native speaker of a language by place of country of birth. That is 1981. PHI seated in Massachusetts and Senate 2018 mean that the person has learned the language from birth. The factor to achieve native like proficiency in English. The first, early exposure at young, starting to learn English at young age or being exposed to the language and a natural immersive environment can help develop native like pronunciation and fluency. Second, extensive practice. Extensive practice, consistent and extensive practice in speaking, listening, reading, and writing in English is essential. This can be achieved through formal education, self-study, or living in an English-speaking country. 3. Culture immersion. Understanding the culture and social norms of English-speaking communities can enhance language proficiency and ability to use the language naturally. 4. Pronunciation and accent. Achieving native like pronunciation and accent can be challenging, but is often considered an hallmark of native like proficiency. 5. Advanced vocabulary and idioms. A deep knowledge of advanced vocabulary, idiomatic expression, and colloquialism is crucial for sounding native like in comparison. The step to help achieve native like proficiency in English. The first, immerse yourself in language. Language challenge yourself with English media such as book, movies, TV, show, and podcasts to improve your vocabulary, comprehension, and pronunciation. The second, read extensively. Read a wide range of material including newspaper, novel, academic paper, and online article. Pay attention to sentence structure, vocabulary use, and write style. 3. Practice speaking and listening. And in conversation with native English speakers or language exchange partner, focus on clear pronunciation, natural intonation, and appropriate use of expression. And change vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases daily and use them in sentences to reinforce understanding. Use flashcards or vocabulary building apps to review and test yourself regularly. Next, master grammar. Study English grammar truly, paying attention to tenses, sentence structure, preposition, articles, and other important aspects. Practice writing and speaking to reinforce proper use. Next, participate in language classes or workshops. Join language courses or workshops where you can receive structured learning, receive feedback, and interact with other learners. Record and review your speech. Record yourself speaking and listening to the recording. Critically identify areas for improvement such as pronunciation, grammar, and fluency. See a feedback as native speaker or proficient English speaker for feedback on your written and spoken English. Constructive feedback will help you identify areas for improvement. Engine in writing. Writing regularly, whether it's in a journal, blog, or through formal essay, focus on clarity, coherence, and using a variety vocabulary. Practice cultural awareness. Understand the cultural nuances associated with the English language. Learn about idiomatic expression, humor, and social convention to communicate more or effectively. Be patient and persistent. Achieving native-like proficiency takes time and consistent effort. Stay patient, persistent, and committed to your language learning goals. See a professional guidance. Consider working with a language tutor or attending advanced English classes to represent personalized guidance and instruction. Okay, the conclusion is it's important to note the achieving native-like proficiency a high bar, and most non-native speakers of English might have some noticeable difference in the language used compared to native speakers. However, many non-native speakers can still attain a very high level of proficiency and effective communication in language with dedicated effort and practice. Remember the key in consistent and focused practice. It's also important to set achievable goals and measure your progress regularly. Stay motivated and on track. Okay, that's all for me. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.